Let's learn how to add the extension repositories in Tachimanga and install the extensions. Open the Tachimanga app. To add the extensions, you're going to go to More tab at the bottom. Find the extensions option, tap here. Go to extension repositories. If you tap on plus, you'll get two options to add the repo. You can either enter the username of the repo or you can input the repo URL directly. Note that the repo URL for Tachimanga must end with index.min.json. We're going to leave this screen as it is here and go back to find the extension repositories link. And you can simply do a Google search for Tachiomi extensions GitHub. You're going to find one trusted source. This one here, KUC extensions. Tap here. These extensions were for Mihon and Tachiomi. It will also work for Tachimanga. Scroll down. You're going to come to usage section and copy this link here. Copy the link. Once you copy, go back to the Tachimanga app. Add repository by URL and just input the URL. Add. Check all the boxes. Agree. And as you can see, the repository KUC has been added. If you go here, you can add the extension from here, but we can go back. Reach the browse tab at the bottom and go to extensions. You can refresh here once if you like. And now we can install any extension here. Add. And this has moved to the install section at the top. Let's do a few more. All of these have moved to the install section. Now if you go to sources, you'll be able to find this here. So that's how you can add the extension repositories and install the extensions in Tachimanga. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.